Okay, we have a Doosan Horizontal Machining Center, model HP4000. Machine was new in 2010. Its serial number HP410172. You have 400 millimeter pallets, or 15 3/4 by 15 3/4. Your x-axis travels 23.6, 22 in the Y, 23.6 in the Z. We're gonna run. Machine has a FANUC 31IA control. You have through spindle coolant, 230 PSI, Cat 40, 60 tool, automatic tool changer. Opening the door, simulating a tool change. Your RPM of your spindle is up to 14,000. It's a 1 degree index on the pallet. 2,500 RPM. 5,000 RPM. Machine's very quiet. 7,500. No, 9,000. Yeah. Original paint. Way covers all axes. Doing a pallet change. See the merry-go-round. One more time. Great. Let's run the axes around. Your vertical. X. Saddle in and out. Pallet index?
Yeah, I did it already.
Yeah, we did. Okay. So we're good. Hey, thank you for watching our video.